Let's start with a long question. Sit for 4 mark. If a flag stuff of a 6-meter height placed on the top of the tower throws a shadows of 2 root 3 meter along the ground. It is along the ground, so this is 6 meter. It is a flag stuff on the top of the tower. This is a BC is the tower. It is AB is the height of the flag stuff. Is it? This flag stuff, which is maybe like this, like this, throws a shadow on the ground. So this is the tower. Actually, it should be on the ground. So it is here. Got it? Okay. It will be throwing it at not here, not at the bottom. It will be little bit away. So it will be here. Understand? So shadow will be, this is important things, that where the shadow is formed. What is written here, place on the top of the tower throws a shadow of 2 root 3 meter along the ground. So it is 2 root 3. This not whole. This is will be the shadow of the tower. Okay, or pole. But flag post will be this. Okay? Understand? So what is that? Find the sun altitude. We have to find what is the altitude of the sun. It is here. If you draw from here, this is the angle of elevation with the flag stuff, not here. Is it? Not here. It is angle of elevation with the stuff that we want. If a flag stuff of 6 meter height placed on the top of the tower throws a shadows of, this is throws the here angle of elevation from here top. Okay, this is the tower, and from the top of the tower here angle of elevation. So here BF will be equal to DF. So AB is the height of the stuff, which is 6 meter. BF is equal to DE, the shadow of the flag stuff along the ground. It is 2 root 3. So in triangle, one triangle is only there. It is AFB. What is here? Where it is? AFB. Theta is equal to AB upon BF. So tan theta is equal to 6 upon 2 root 3. So it will cancel out. You will get tan theta is equal to 3 by root 3. So 3 is what? Root 3 into root 3. This will cancel out. Tan theta is equal to root 3. So where the value of tan is root 3 at 60. So you can replace root 3 as tan 60. So theta is equal, implies theta is equal to 60 degree. So the sun's altitude is 60 degree. Another question. There are 2 temples, one on each bank of the river, just opposite to each other. One temple is 50 meter high. So suppose the temple is 50 meter high. From the top of this temple, the angle of elevation. So there are 2 temples. This shows, what is it? From the top of this temple, angle of depression is written, means one temple height is less than the other temple. You are looking from the top of one temple. So which temple is more height? From where you are looking and forming angle of depression. Angle of depression shows that the height of the temple, which is 50 meter, is more than the other temple. Otherwise you cannot form angle of depression. If this is more, then you are going to form only the angle of elevation. Angle of depression cannot be formed to the top of that temple. Here angle of depression is formed of the temple. It is indicate that from where you are looking, the other temple is less than that. Height of the other temple is less than that. Is it? Okay. So the angle of depression of the top and the foot of the temple are 30 degree and 60 degree. So this is 50 meter. From top you are looking and forming an angle of depression, which is top is 30 degree and bottom of another temple is 60 degree. Got it? So this is 50 degree. Find the width of the river. So let x be the width of the river. And find the height of the other temple. Also you have to find the height of the other temple. These questions are very important. and also little hard. You must have some understanding. The depression is given means other temple height is less than the temple where you are standing. E, the height of one temple which is 50 meter, ED the height of another temple, let's take as y meter, and BE is equal to CD, the width of the river, which is taken as x meter. So what we have to find AB, this is 50, AC is 50, and ED which is equal to BC is y. We have to find what is AB to get this 1030. AB is 50 minus 1. Whole length, big length, AC is 50 and BC is y. So it is 50, AB is 50 minus. There AB is equal to AC minus BC, which is 50 minus y. In triangle AEB, 1030 is equal to AB upon BE. So 1 upon root 3 is equal to 50 minus y upon x. If you cross multiply, you will get a value of x as root 350 minus y meter. Let's take another triangle. In triangle ADC, 1060 is equal to AC upon DC. 1060 is root 3, 50 upon x. If you multiply, you will get root 3x is equal to 50. Got it? From first and second, what do you have to do? We can substitute the value x is equal to, got it? Here. From here we will take and substitute x here. So we will get root 3 x as root 3 in the bracket 50 minus y. So root 3 50 minus y is equal to 50. If you multiply here, you will get 3. Got it? So 3 into 50 minus y is equal to 50. Multiply inside, so you will get 150. 150 is equal to 3y equal to 50. So if you take on this side it will be positive, this will come here, so it will be equal to 100. So 3y is equal to 150 minus 50. So 3y is equal to 100. So y is equal to 100 by 3 meter. So the height of other temple is 100 by 3 meter. You also have to find width of the river. Width of the river is found x. Y here, whatever got here, then you will get the width of the river. The river, from there we found x is equal to root 350 minus y. Y is what? 100 minus 3. So substitute, take LCM. So it is root 3, it will be 3. So 3, so it will be 150, and here 3, so it will be 1. So 150 minus 100, so you will get 50 upon 3. If you simplify it, you will get, or if you multiply only, that's all. Multiply it, because root 3 is there, not root 3. So just simply multiply it. So 50 root 3 upon 3, it is your width of the river. A 2 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 29 meter tall building. So it is a 2 meter high, 2 meter tall boy. So it is 2 meter. AB is a boy of 2 meter. He is standing, what is written? Is standing at some distance from a 29 meter tall building. So it is 29 meter tall building. Is standing at some distance. Okay. Then what happened? From his eye of the top of the building increases from 30 to 60 degree as he walked towards the building. As he walked, now it is starting at A. AB is a boy. So his eye at A. So he is starting moving. Is it starting moving? So he comes to C and make an angle of 60 degree. It is moving towards the tower. Then find the distance he walked towards the building. What distance is walked towards the building? Means we have to find only x, because this is the time interval when the angle of elevation changed from 30 to 60 degree. He is moving from this point to this point, means from A to G. Got it? His eyes is moving or he is moving, whatever it is. AB is equal to height of the tall boy 2 meter. FD is equal to height of the building, which is 29 meter. AG the distance he walked towards the building, let x, and CG It is the distance between the second point and the buoy. What a base of the tower. So we have to find what is EFE. This is 2 meter. This is all is 29 meters. So this will be 27 meter. 29 minus 2. So EF will be 29 or 27. So EF is equal to FD minus ED. 29 minus 2, 27. So in triangle FGE, 1060 is equal to EF upon GE. So root 3 is equal to 27 upon y. So y is equal to 27 upon root 3. So y is equal to this, you will simplify it, then you will get y is equal to 9 root 3 meter. In triangle AFE, 1030 is equal to FE upon AF. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 27 upon x plus y. If you cross multiply, then x plus y is equal to 27 root 3. From first and second, what do we get? X, substitute the value of y here. So x 9 root 3 is equal to 27 root 3. So if you take this side, it will be minus. So x is equal to 27 root 3 minus 9 root 3. So it is 27 minus 9, 18. So x is equal to 18 root 3. So the distance he walked towards the building is 18 root 3 meter. Let's move on to question number 4. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. From the point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. And that of the top of the flagstaff, that is A, that of a top of a flagstaff fixed on the top of the tower is 60 degree. On the top of the tower is 60 degree. That is, if the length of the flagstaff, okay, be careful, it is not written from where. It is assumed that it is from the tower, okay, from the base of the tower. What is given? It is what is assumed. Sorry. If the length of the flagstaff means only AB, is 5 meter, find the height of the tower. You have to find what is the height of the tower. Let the height of the tower BC is equal to y meter. Flagstaff is 5 meter. So AB is equal to height of the flagstaff 5 meter. BC is equal to height of the tower, which is y meter. PC is the distance between the tower and the point of observation on the ground, okay, which is x meter. Now it is a pretty simple. In triangle BPC, 1030 is equal to BC upon PC. So 1 upon root 3 is equal to y upon x. So x will be equal to root 3 y meter. Then next, in triangle APC, 1060 is equal to AC upon PC. If you AC upon PC, you will get root 3 is equal to y plus 5 upon x. If you multiply it, you will get root 3 x is equal to y plus 5 second. From first and second, substitute the value of x here. So root 3 x is root 3 y, which is equal to now y plus 5. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So 3y is equal to y plus 5. If you take it y on this side, 3y minus y is equal to 2y. 2y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 by 2 is 2.5. So the length of the tower is 2.5 meter.